How to write bytes to file? I have a function that returns a string. The string contains carriage returns and new lines, 0 by 0d, 0 by 0a. However, when I write to a file it contains only the new line feeds. Is there a way to get the output to include the carriage return in the new line?
If you want to write bytes, then you should open the file in binary mode.
Here is just a cleaner version with width.
Write bytes and create the file if not exists. WB means open the file in write binary mode.
Ele o VAT do server, para ser considerado scripting.